Hello everyone, this is Jim from the Art of Finance. Welcome back to our channel. Today is 9th of November and we are with you on daily intraday analysis. So today we will talk about Bitcoin, natural gas and NASDAQ. These three will be the topic of our video. Alright, let's start with some news first of all. Alright, this morning we have received the data from Germany and both of them was good. First one was trade of balance, and then they have trade surplus more than 16 billion euro, and then that's a good trade surplus. Actually, a lot of people were expecting something smaller. Reason is Germany is really dependent on car exports, and because of the chip shortages, they couldn't export a lot of car, so a lot of people were expecting these will affect the trade surplus, but it didn't happen like that. So in a positive way, it just released. So probably because of this reason as well, we were expecting this one, a lot of another data release was the economic sentiment index for November, and these also is a really important measurement for German economy, and it was released as 31. So expected number was 20. The previous one is 22. So a lot of people were expecting the sentiment in Germany will be worse than current situation, but reverse, people in Germany, the ones who's in charge of at the factories and other businesses, they are expecting a sharp return, sharp rebound on these bottlenecks. I can say bottlenecks because the steel chip shortage is not over, but I think they are just finding some ways. They are just learned how to survive with this, and they are not only complaining, they are trying to find new ways to produce cars. And especially car sales in Europe are declining, and I think there is a transition. This is the move of transition. Let me just correct you this, let me just explain you this one as in my opinion. All right, let's say you are a manager at a factory and then you have 1,000 chips, and then that means you can produce, let's say, 1,000 car. We'll just spend that chips in ICE vehicle, like a internal combustion engine or EVs. So they are producing EVs. That's why it's transition. That transition happening right now. In near future, we will see that 30% allocation, 30% distribution of EVs in Europe. This is happening already with plug-in hybrids. We have seen these months in Germany, 37% is battery electric or chargeable hybrid car. It is the same level of diesel car in Germany. So that's really huge news in coming months, especially with Tesla's new Germany factory. We will see a lot of new competition will just be there in EVs. And also this is affecting global expectation of net carbon zero, because they have made a lot of promises in Glasgow. This transition also will help those promises come true. So they are trying to do that one as well. So Germany, they have suffered a lot, even Armin Laschet. He may have lost the elections just because of this reason, because his party, Angela Merkel, was really fan of ICE cars. They didn't invest that much in electric transition, and these may be a big impact on their election, because in Germany this year they had really big like a natural disasters. They have seen sudden floods, and then they have seen lack of rain. These kind of global climate changes, they have like those things affected Germany that much, and we have witnessed that people are just demanding something new, something better, something more green, something healthy. So that's why Greens in Germany had highest number of votes in their history. So this was my opinion, and then we will see this one. So if we just go back to my main subject, the economic sentiment index just came good, and this is probably they have just found how to survive with the problems, and they say, okay, we are not hiding behind excuses. We are just moving. This was the news. All right. And also, today there will be a lot of speeches from Fed side, Fed Bullard, Fed Kashkari, Fed Chair Powell, and Fed Dali. All of them will make speeches today in different meetings, and then we will just listen them. What are they saying? And especially after non-farm payrolls, of course they will have some comments on that one, like because before non-farm payroll they just started to taper, and then a lot of people said it's not enough because it's just economy is heating up, it should be more, something like that, and non-farm payrolls is higher. So in another meeting they may say, all right, we were expecting these numbers already, so we have seen lower unemployment rate, and then participation in the job business, and then high people are getting a high number of like non-farm payrolls are happening, so we may increase the tapering next month. If some of them speaks like this, then we may see the impact on the market. All right, let's go back to our charts. As you can see, we are on the chart of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is testing all the time high. Before, before this one, 1670,000 was the previous all the time high. Right now is 68,000 is the new high. All right, you see on the last, just from this area, from 60k level on November 6, just 3 days ago, it started to rebound from this support level. We were saying that if we see a rebound from this level, we may see higher levels. The critical test was 64k, because it's always struggling to go higher than that one. When it goes higher than one, we are witnessing really high levels. So we will just the important thing, as you may see here, on 20th of October, when it tested 67 area, it just took only 1 day, and we will see how much it will go. Just 1 day, just a temporary rise, or it will go a bit more than this level. We will see. It will show us, but a correction may be on the way, because from 60 to 68, it's already like as a percentage, it's already more than 10% rise. Some people may see this level a good place for realization, for just taking profit area, and also we see the signals of that one already. We may see a decline, a short one or long one, we don't know yet, but some sell-off can be seen at this point. All right, let's look at what's happening in natural gas.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, we are on the chart of natural gas right now, and natural gas, it has declined until the support line. So this support line is 540, 5.40 area is a support line which rebounds mostly from this area. So why is natural gas is declining? So we are getting closer to winter, but at the same time, the prices of that one is just declining because slowdown in economies are just being expected. Natural gas is not only for heating homes, it's also widely used in industrial areas. Natural gas prices was affected mainly in this high price change. It was affected mainly by coal prices because the coal supply was in a really short supply, and then there was a problem, shortages in coal supply. But right now, let me just tell you the price, then you will understand. Just 1 month ago, the price of coal was 266, and right now it's just trading around 160. So $100 per ton on in coal prices has just declined in just 15 days, maybe 20 days. So in industrial areas, coal is right now widely used because that price hike happened because of the biggest coal region in China has been flooded, and they couldn't take out that mine, and so the prices just surged after that one. Right now they are recovering, and then there is no more supply shortages in coal, so natural gas is not on high demand just for now. I'm just saying just for now because the expected cold winter in Europe and the other part of the world has not arrived. So if we just see a sudden weather change, and then if we just see sudden demand in natural gas, so we may see real high levels in natural gas. So for now, this support level should be it should be working. Maybe just like this, we may see just a little test under support level. Then from that area, we will see another rebound probably, or a consolidation on this area. But we are getting closer to winter, so I'm not expecting it to go a $2, $3 in natural gas right now. Nord Stream 2 between Russia and Germany is critical in natural gas prices because it has been completed over 1 month ago, and then they are testing from since then. So if they just say, all right, we have completed the testing, and right now we are starting to transport Russian gas to Germany via Nord Stream 2, then we may see lower levels with that news. Other than that, I'm not expecting really bearish scenario for natural gas. I'm expecting some rebound on this area. All right, let's look at NASDAQ. We are on the chart of NASDAQ. NASDAQ is just consolidating at this level. Reason is Tesla. Tesla was one of the best return stocks in NASDAQ, and it just really helped NASDAQ to go higher. But just yesterday there was a voting in Twitter. A Tesla CEO and owner, Elon Musk, he loves to use Twitter as a platform of reaching to people, and he asked people whether he should sell 10% of his Tesla stocks, and more than 3 million people just voted, and 57 of them said yes, you should sell. And these led, and then he's just listening to those kind of things, and then he's expected to sell those Tesla stocks, but there is no timeline. This is not tomorrow. This is not in 1 week. There is no timeline. He may sell in 6 months, he may sell in 1 year. This is not something for tomorrow. But at least he will just listen, because like he just told like that, I will listen what you say. And we may see in Tesla stock just fell 5%, and the other stocks are also making some realization right now. So at this point, a correction, a realization, profit realization is possible in NASDAQ. And from this point, at least we may see from this point at least 16,100 level can be seen first. After that level, the support area is 1593 area is the support for NASDAQ. If you just follow that one, you may take profit. Thank you so much for watching. We will be together on more news this afternoon. Have a nice and great day. Bye.